Hello everyone and welcome back to Milo Farms. Well, it's about the middle of March, and as you can see, the snow's starting to go away here behind us. The grooming is starting to cut back on the trails, starting to be definitely springtime riding conditions. So this is going to probably be one of the last snowmobile videos for the season, and coming this fall we'll be starting back up with those in about October when we start the preseason maintenance and things like that. So if anybody has any videos throughout the summer that's something they want to see or see a video of, just leave a comment. Or anything they have questions about, I try to check back on those periodically as well to be able to answer questions. So also check out the links in the description for the Amazon links. Those are definitely helpful to support the channel, even though it's just a few dollars. At least it helps to be able to buy tools or buy different things to be able to do the videos and make the repairs and buy products that people are asking about to do those repairs. So during the summer here, we're going to have farm videos, irrigation videos, probably old car videos, things like that. And we'll also be doing a bunch of different projects around the farm that we got to get done and caught up before this fall so we can get back to the snowmobile stuff. So remember, you can't finish a project without getting started. So I hope everybody's been enjoying the videos. I really want to thank everybody for all the support with the videos. Please like, comment, share the videos with your friends. The more and more we can get things out there, the more and more people can get interest and learn from the channel. So shout out to everybody and thank you very much for all your support so far in the channel.